stop scrolling. If you've ever wanted to make serious money online but thought it was too hard, you're about to see a method that is so powerful it's making complete beginners thousands of dollars without filming, editing, or even showing their face. One Fast and Furious click raked in 65 million views on Instagram, another Cristiano Ronaldo video over 66 million views, and let's not forget the legendary Thanos clip with over 47 million views. These aren't just random numbers, they're proof of how this one simple AI technique is driving insane traffic and engagement. And the crazy part? 99% of people still don't know about it. If you don't act now, you'll miss out on the biggest AI cash grab of 2025. Let me ask you something. Have you ever seen those viral Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts clips with millions of views? Now imagine if you could make money from videos like that on autopilot. Most people just post random clips hoping for views, but views alone won't make you rich. The real money? It's in leveraging AI to generate viral content and monetizing it in the right way. I'm talking about affiliate commissions, brand deals, even setting up faceless automation channels. And today, I'm not just showing you how to go viral, I'm showing you how to turn those views into a full-blown income stream. The key is creating visually stunning AI-generated content that's designed to go viral. Forget boring stock footage. This is the next level AI animation that looks straight out of a Pixar movie. The first step, creating visually stunning AI-generated character that grabs attention immediately. For this, we'll use Leonardo AI, which is a free image generator that lets you create mind-blowing visuals in seconds. All you have to do is sign up for free at Leonardo AI. It's super easy and quick. Once you're inside the platform, click on the image generator button right here and choose the cinematic gnome preset. This gives you the most realistic high quality results. Set your dimensions to 9 by 16. This is crucial because it ensures your video is perfectly formatted for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Reels. Trust me, the last thing you want to do is ruin a perfectly created image or video by resizing it into the dimension that you need. Use powerful AI prompts. The right prompts makes all the difference. I've included a template in the description to help you out. Now here's a pro tip. Do you want your character to look super realistic? Then make sure to use Leonardo's lightning and texture enhancement for cinematic results. By the end of the steps, you'll have a stunning AI-generated character that looks ready for Hollywood. Now here's the secret. One image isn't enough. To make a 1-minute viral AI video, you'll need about 12 images. So generate multiple variations of your character in different poses, facial expressions, and angles. This makes your video more dynamic and engaging. Make sure to keep the lighting and colors consistent. This will help to keep your animation smooth. Ensure to generate in batches by using Leonardo AI tools to speed up your workflow. Imagine creating Thanos as a fruit vendor. First, he's smiling at a customer, then he's mad at a thief, and then he's chasing him down. Now your AI character has personality, and this is how you make people stop scrolling. For step 3, we'll go ahead to animate your images using LumaLabs AI. Static images are cool with a bit of effect here and there, but animated AI content, that's where the magic happens. So let's bring your images to life. Let's go to LumaLabs.ai and create a free account. It's quick and easy. Upload your AI generated images. The AI will automatically add movement and depth. You can also input a prompt to further tell the machine what actions you want your image to perform. In seconds, you'll get crazy realistic animations. Imagine Thanos waving his arms, selling fruits, and even reacting to customers. It's crazy, right? Now here's a pro tip. Use Luma AI's depth mapping for ultra-realistic motion. The more natural the animation, the better the engagement. And just like that, your static images are now a lifelike moving animation. For the fourth step, editing your videos for maximum engagement. This is where the viral factor comes in. Editing can make or break your AI video, and here's how to turn your animation into a masterpiece. Use CapCut, it's free and powerful to edit your clips. Make sure to add smooth transitions in order to avoid choppy cuts. Seamless flow keeps people watching because remember, engagement is equal to money. Use fast-paced editing. Studies show that videos with frequent cuts and camera changes keep attention longer. Create a mini storyline. Maybe Thanos is being yelled at by an angry customer for selling overpriced fruit. I'd like to see that actually. Add text overlays and captions. 85% of social media videos are watched without sound, so make sure your message is clear. Background music is equal to more retention, so make sure to use trending TikTok audio or dramatic sound effects for emotional impact. Export in 1080p at 60 frames per second because quality matters. Blurry videos will not go viral. Now here's a pro tip. Start with a hook in the first 3 seconds. For example, wait, is that Thanos selling fruit? The weirder, the better. Now for our final step, post and monetize your AI video. Now that you have a viral worthy video, let's get it in front of millions and turn views into money. We'll start by posting on multiple platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. Next, use viral hashtags and SEO to optimize your video for better ranking. Use viral hashtags like hashtag AI animation, hashtag AI video, hashtag Leonardo AI, hashtag trending. Monetize with brand deals and affiliate marketing. Companies love AI-generated content and will pay creators to feature their tools. Sign up for Leonardo AI's affiliate program and earn commissions for every sign-up. You can partner with brands that align with your content. Next, you create an AI-focused cash cow YouTube channel. AI-generated content is booming. Make faceless AI videos that generate passive income for years. Upload consistently, monetize through YouTube ads, sponsors, and affiliate links. Now, step 2 in our monetization strategy. And this, trust me, is where the money comes in. Affiliate marketing. Sign up for affiliate programs of AI tools, video editors, and even stock music sites. Create tutorial videos showing how to use these tools while recommending them. Share your affiliate links in the description, pinned comments, and even your bio on TikTok and Instagram. Also find smaller brands that are willing to work with newer creators. Sometimes brand outside the AI niche like VPN services, website builder, and stock photos will still partner with you if your content drives engagement. Next on the strategy is merch and digital product. Why stop at just videos when you could turn your AI creations into profitable products? Sell AI-generated wallpapers, artwork, and printables on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Redbubble. Create and sell ebooks on AI-generated storytelling, video editing, or social media growth strategies. Offer templates and presets for CapCut or Leonardo AI so beginners can easily replicate your style. And you can even launch AI-inspired merch like t-shirts, hoodies, posters, featuring the best AI-generated images or trending characters on your platform. Next on the strategy list is brand deals. AI-generated content is booming and brands are hungry for innovative ways to promote their products. Here's how you can get noticed. Ensure to reach out to companies in AI, tech, or content creation space. They're looking for creators who can showcase their products. Showcase past viral content, even if it's just one clip that got thousands of views, it proves you know how to grab attention. Create a media kit highlighting your audience engagement, video views, and how brands can benefit from collaborating with you. Leverage LinkedIn and influencer marketing platforms to find sponsorship opportunities. And last on the list, YouTube automation for passive AI income. AI generated content is perfect for YouTube automation, meaning you can create videos without ever showing your face. And here's how. Start by picking a niche and use AI to generate your script like ChatGPT. Create visuals for Leonardo AI and bring them to life with Luma AI. Use AI voiceovers like LumaLabs or TTS OpenAI for narration. Edit everything in CapCut or Premiere Pro. Ensure to add viral sound effects and background music. Optimize your YouTube SEO with strong titles, descriptions, and thumbnails to ensure maximum reach. And monetize through YouTube ads, sponsors, affiliate marketing, and digital product sales. I tested this method myself, and within just 2 weeks, one of my AI generated videos hit over 500,000 views, and the best part, it made me over $2,000 in pure affiliate commissions without even showing my face. Now let me give you the secret sauce for virality. If you want a guaranteed way to explode your views, here's the hack. Make sure to use trending audio. Instagram and TikTok boost videos with trending and viral sounds, so make sure to use that. Keep it under 15 seconds. Shorter clips is equal to higher watch time and engagement. And use curiosity hook. Start with a shocking statement or question to capture the attention of your viewer. And here's another bonus for you. I challenge you to try this strategy today. Go create one AI generated video, post it, and then come back and comment your results. The first 10 people who show proof will get a shout out in my next video. And if you want a step-by-step tutorial on setting up your very first viral AI channel, check out this video next. Trust me, you don't want to miss this.